you can run, but you can't hide. And I got a Scary Terry Funko t-shirt and pop figure unboxing for you guys. Let's just dig on in to the spookiness of it all, shall we? But of course, I gotta admire the original Scary Terry. He's probably one of my favorite characters that got introduced into Rick and Morty because of the fact that I love Freddy Krueger and A Nightmare on Elm Street. So I've had this for a little bit. I'm just now getting around to doing the video for it. It's a really cool box. I'm always a fan of Funko's boxes, whether it be pop figures or not. Anything Funko related, I'm a fan of. Alright, so here's the box. On the back, it shows the figure in the shirt. I bent it a little bit, but you can't really tell. This shirt is really beautiful. Has some nice colors to it. Let's get a closer look, shall we? It's got Rick and Morty running away. And it says, you can run, but you can't hide. Now that we've seen the shirt, let's see that pop! This is actually my first pop shirt and tee combo unboxing in general. Alright, look at him. Number 300, you guys. Only at GameStop or ThinkGeek. Or the internet. Wherever you can find him. He is super cool. He's gonna go great with this Scary Terry, don't you guys think? Looks like just the difference is the colors in them. Comment below what your favorite Rick and Morty moment is. Are you excited for season 4?